Farm jobs in Canada are both fulfilling and very lucrative, with an average salary ranging from $35,000 to $60,000 per year. Over 7,500 jobs are currently open for foreign workers across the world. It makes farm work one of the most in-demand jobs in Canada, that companies provide visa sponsorships for immigrants. No formal degree, education, or previous work experience as required. Luckily, the Canadian government has made it easier for applicants to come and get a work visa or stay permanently in Canada. Welcome to your favorite channel. In this video, I will be discussing how to apply for farm work in Canada, the requirements and how to obtain a Canadian work permit. Endeavor to watch this video to the end, as I will show you exactly how you can get farm jobs in Canada with the available job listings that you can apply for and get accepted immediately. Remember, location isn't a barrier. You may also be eligible to apply for a work permit under the Seasonal Agriculture Worker Program (SAWP), which allows employers to hire temporary foreign workers when Canadian citizens or permanent residents are not available. SAWP has brought thousands of foreign workers temporarily to Canada for more than 50 years. About 20% of workers in Canada's agricultural sector are temporary foreign workers, particularly in the fruit, vegetables, horticulture, and nursery sectors. Another pathway you can consider is Agri-Food Immigration Pilot. The Agri-Food Pilot helps address the labor needs of the Canadian agri-food sector. It provides pathway to permanent residence for experienced and non-seasonal workers in specific industries and occupations. A maximum of 2,750 principal applicants and their families will be accepted per year. This represents a total of 16,500 possible new permanent residents over the 3-year duration of the pilot. If you need a short-time visa with quick approval for farm jobs, Temporary Foreign Worker Program is your best bet. The Temporary Foreign Worker Program is a Canada work visa that was created by the Canadian government to provide opportunities for foreign workers who want to get employment in Canada for a short period of time. The TFWP allows people to work in the country for only 6 months, with possibilities of extensions. Being a farm worker can bring different challenges and learning opportunities depending on the location in which you work. Throughout your career as a farm worker, you will gain vast cross-section of transferable skills, such as organization, communication, problem-solving, multitasking, diligence and attention to detail, that can be utilized in many roles and industries. For future job opportunities, types of farm workers in Canada, there's a wide range of roles to consider within a variety of fields, whether you have experience in sales, administration, engineering, science, or manual labor. You can specialize in agriculture as any of these: vegetable farm workers, general labor, fruit picker, grower crop manager, grain elevator operator, agricultural equipment technician, warehouse manager, sales representative, feed mill manager, research scientist, agriculture specialist. Meanwhile, you can work in any of these types of farms in Canada: grains and oil seeds, livestock dairy, cattle and milk production, poultry and eggs, horticulture, and so on. As a farm worker planning to relocate to Canada, you are expected to plant, cultivate, harvest crops, raise livestock, including poultry, and maintain farm equipment. Here are the general, necessary duties expected of a farm worker. These includes: you will be required to carry out repair and maintenance work for farm machinery and equipment. When required, you should be proficient in handling farm machineries, like tractor, loader, lift truck. In farm truck, you will be required to monitor irrigation and soil moisture. As per crop requirements, the candidate will be required to keep an up-to-date knowledge of pests and diseases, responsible for protecting crops from weeds and pests by taking appropriate actions like spraying pesticides, etc. The candidate must examine the quality of the product and get it ready for the market. General farm workers can become specialized in a particular type of crop or livestock production through experience. Another thing to bear in mind are some necessary requirements. Expected of a farm worker. The job requirements are: as a general farm worker in Canada, you must have knowledge and capability of operating farm machinery and equipment. You should be punctual and accountable. You should give importance to values and ethics. Be a good team player, with enough interpersonal and judgmental skills. Be organized, inflexible in nature. Be willing to work in an outdoor environment for long hours, including tolerance for pests and thorns. The candidate should be willing to work in limited and confined space. You should be willing to work under pressure. You should be ready to perform repetitive tasks frequently. Be physically strong and fit. You should be ready to work overtime if needed. How to apply for a work permit in 2022. Canada granted permits to more than 500,000 overseas candidates. This is a huge opportunity for foreign workers seeking to make a better life. Canada Work Permit, or a work visa, is issued to eligible individuals to work in Canada for a specific time period. You need to apply for a work visa only after getting a job offer or an employment contract from a Canadian employer, which gives them permission to recruit foreign skilled workers for occupations that cannot be filled in by citizens or permanent residents of Canada. As one of the world's leading economically growing countries, Canada is a great destination for individuals seeking to work abroad. With the Canadian Work Permit visa, allows business people, permanent workers, temporary workers, students and others to work in Canada. Note that applicants need to have a job offer in hand in order to apply for the Work Permit visa. With our end-to-end overseas career solutions, we will help you find a job and apply for a Canadian Work Permit visa. If you follow the guide this channel has to offer, how to apply as a farm worker. After taking note of the requirements for this job, then package your documents and get ready to apply for jobs on any of these 3 websites. These websites provides you with everything you need to know about the said jobs, also provides you with relative recommendations to other job positions in the middle of your application. First is glassdoor.com, secondly ca.indeed.com. The third website is jobank.gc.ca. With the aid of technology, it's never too early to start searching for the perfect job. In fact, keep in mind that having a job offer in hand can go a long way towards having your relocation process approved very fast. These websites have aligned job opportunities in Canada, all selected for you, with company rating and salary package associated with each job post. Over 3,000 open jobs are available on each of these platforms. Explore the websites. Sort your job by category and province. Also, these websites allows you to research the job description, company overview, job summary, responsibilities associated to each task. Then you can proceed with the application prompt. Sequentially, you could also boost your selection chances by applying to as many vacant positions as possible. It is important that you apply almost immediately. You get the job opportunities before they expire. Thanks for watching. Share this video with friends and loved ones. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Likewise, drop your comments in the comment section, as your feedbacks are of high importance to us. Good luck.